Hey guys, how to fix Icecoin not showing in Trust Wallet. So yeah, let's start video. So it's a simple or easy guides how you can do it. So first off, you can open up your Trust Wallet, and after this, for what you need, your first thing is this. First, you can put your password. After that, you see this kind of interface. Now you can buy a coin and then not showing in this Trust Wallet. So what you can do, you can simply tap on this option and then tap on search bar, like I'll buy cat coin. So to simply tap on it, search cat coin, and then you can see right here cat coin is enabled. So tap on it and cat coin enable. Now cat coin is disabled, that's why it's not showing in my Trust Wallet. So after that, you can see cat coin is